Hi everyone, Daniel and Sunny here.
And welcome to the June Modern Work Monthly Update. Check out our virtual background. Oh wait, that's not virtual!
We're back in beautiful Sydney to bring you this month's update where we'll be looking at some new and amazing features that have just become generally available in Microsoft Teams.
Today, we're going to take a look at how to set your out-of-office status right from within Teams.
We'll also have a look at how you can build custom registration pages for your next meeting or digital event so that you can keep track of and learn more about your attendees before they show up.
Let's check it out. Let's get out of office. Oh wait, not literally out of office.
In Teams. To set your out-of-office status, first head to your profile in Teams and under your contact details, select Set a Status Message and then Schedule Out of Office.
To get started, simply turn on automatic replies and provide your own message. This message will show up in a couple of ways.
Firstly, when people message you, it'll show above the message box. Secondly, it'll show up if someone views your profile in Office 365. And finally, it'll be delivered to any sender who delivers you an email just like this.
Notice that you can also decide if this applies to external senders. Perhaps you want to send something different internally. You can also set an expiration date in case you forget to turn it off in the future.
Hopefully, with this tip, you can keep those pesky co-workers away from you when you're trying to enjoy some time out of office.
And when you're back, you might be looking at hosting a meeting or a seminar virtually. Microsoft Teams has been a great place to host that content, but sharing invites and collecting registrations has been a little trickier.
We've made this a lot easier though. We've just added custom registration forms to Microsoft Teams where you can build your own questions and add your own banner images to truly make it your own. Let's check it out. Regardless of whether you create a meeting or webinar, you'll find the registration option here.
You will first need to decide whether you want everyone to register or only people within your organization.
Notice this will convert your event into a webinar format. While this does not change the functionality of your meeting experience, in a template-like way, it encourages you to fill things out in a way that makes sense.
Notice where the attendee field used to be is now called presenters, and that's because any of our attendees would now be moving through the registration form.
While the default registration form is provided, you'll almost certainly want to edit this form. Viewing the form will pop it out and allow you to customize the fields.
Titles, names, and descriptions will be inherited from the invitation, but the rest is really up to you.
We can add individual speakers with custom biographies to inform our audience as to who is speaking, and we can make use of the mandatory and optional fields in the form.
I've got the ability to use some of Microsoft's suggestions, such as names, job titles, and industries.
But what's most exciting is the custom question field, which you can leverage for your own unique questions, be them input or multiple choice, which is great for scoping out more regarding what your audience would love to learn about.
Before you're finished, upload a custom image and preview it within the browser to see the great new form you've created.
Be sure to send the form to attendees using the link provided in Teams. Don't invite them directly to the calendar, as they'll get an invite on their calendar as soon as they register.
Let's briefly have a look at that experience. Here in my inbox, I've got the invitation to join this amazing virtual workshop. All we need to do is open the link, and now right inside my browser, I can fill out the form.
I'll fill this form in as Megan, one of our key guests for the session, and answer the custom question on her behalf.
Once I'm done, I'll submit the form, and just like that, I'll get an automatic calendar invitation to join the session on the day.
Hopefully, these amazing new additions to Microsoft Teams can be as useful for you as they have been for us.
And if you're looking to take a deeper dive on Teams webinar capabilities, our Modern Work Customer Success team hosted a webinar last month just on this specific topic. Check it out at the link below.
Thank you so much for checking in with us this month, and we look forward to seeing you in July.
Bye!